This phone's supposed to do the impossible. The Fusion X1 by HMD is supposed to be the phone for teens and parents. Let's talk about it. Yeah, no, I don't think you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. This device has built-in software on the OS level that's supposed to allow parents to control what their kids see from little ages to teenage to later. Now, how do you sell this to parents and kids? Drew Barrymore, that's how you do it. No, I'm not kidding. Drew Barrymore endorsed this phone because when she was a kid, she was a little wild, and as an adult now as a mom, she's worried about how her kids use phones. This is supposed to make everything different. There's real-time tracking of your kid. There's also app control, so you can see how long they've been on certain apps, so you can choose what apps are available or not available as a parent. The big news is about the Fusion X1 by HMD, but you know what? These amped earbuds might be more interesting. This little device has earbuds that pop out. Okay, yeah, you've seen things that do that, but this case does something extra. You see that little lightning bolt? This is actually a wireless Qi charger that'll work on any phone, including the X1. You just need to attach it to the back and it'll charge. If it's got MagSafe, it'll stay attached. It's kind of a cool little product. It's called the Amped by HMD, and we're gonna check it out when we get a chance. Whether you're a teen or a parent that is a teen, let us know if you're interested in the Fusion X1 because this is coming in April. We'll have a lot more information at PCMag.com. Check that out.